All right, so if you want to complete a paragraph summary to complete your 40 book challenge check, then this is the assignment that you're going to do. And I'm just going to explain to you real quick what that assignment will look like. So for your paragraph summary, you're going to choose one of the question sets below to help you structure or guide your summary. So it's not just a whole summary of everything that's happened. I'm going to ask you a question and then you're going to answer that using the race response. Again, make sure your race response still has 5 sentences though. And in case you forgot, race is right here. So the questions that you can choose from are prediction. So what do you think will happen next in the plot or to one of the characters? So use details from your source to support your answer. So that is one option for you. Option 2 is setting. How does the setting or the place and the location affect the main character? How does the setting make the main character feel? What kinds of conflicts happen to the character because of where they are or what time period they're in? So there's a lot of questions in here. You can choose one, like maybe your book takes place in during World War I in Europe. So that would be really affect, like the conflicts that your character is experiencing are really influenced by the time period. So just choose one of these questions. The third option is relationship. So what is the relationship like between two characters? How will this relationship affect events in the story? So for this question, it kind of builds upon it. So you're going to kind of try to answer both. For option 4, it says, what did the main character learn from the conflicts she or he faced, and how were they resolved? What lessons about life did the main character learn? You might not be able to answer this question until you go to the end of your book. Question option 5 says, what was an important decision the main character made, and how did this decision affect the main character or another character? So why did they do something? What motivated them to do something? And then if you just want to write a general summary about what happened in your book, then you can do that as well. So here it says, look on the next page to see race sentence starters for each of the above question prompts. So again, you only need to choose one, but if you do want help with your R and your A, you have this sentence starter. Remember, R and A means restate and answer. So you need to use the words from the question to set up your answer. So for each of the questions I just read through, there is a race breakdown. So when you're writing your answer, for example, if you choose to answer this question, question 1, you would use this sentence starter, you would fill in your answer, and then you'd give me details from the story, and then you'd explain why you think that. Explain how your details, for example, helped you make a prediction. So use these race sentence starters if you need help. There is one for each of them after you make your choice. You have 6 options. And you're going to write your answer here. Again, make sure it's only a total of 5 sentences. And then you're going to submit this whole document on Schoology, and I'll check your answer in this space here.